we're going to do a hike. A cold day here in Palo Alto, California. 684 feet over sea level. So we just started hike toward to Towel Campground, and eventually we will reach Los Troncos Trail. Let's check it out. We have to look for it. We found here the sign for the trail we're going to take. Is Los Troncos Trail. Nice. Okay. Small bridge here. So we reach some kind of open space here to be able to see the trail. Continue reaching a little more altitude. Nice. Very good. We continue the uphill. So far we climb, we are at 1089 feet, almost 1 mile hiking so far. Okay, we reach an opening here. We see some snow over there in the back. Continue going up. Oh, this is bridge number 2. There you go. This is small creek and small bridge as well. Nice distribution of the John trees here. Beautiful. Huh. Very good. Bridge number 3. Small bridge. Another view from the Bay Area. Los Troncos Bridge number 4. Short one. Very good. Troncos Trail. Continue going up, and we found some wildlife here. I mean, yeah, it is a wildlife. The day became more clear, so we are able to see more snow over there toward the mountains. Los Troncos. Bridge number 5. Go for it. We are right to another bridge here. Number 6. And we hear more water here. That's good. Let's go through it. There's some snow, looks like as well. Check it out. Cheese. Let's see. Oops. No bad. We got out. On the fallen tree. This is a small branch here on the trail. It's not bad. Let's go through it. Very good. And of course, some snow here. Traces of snow on the trail. Good. Okay. Okay. Oh, good. Yes, there is more water here. Nice. Small bridge. And continuing toward the trail. Very interesting. So That's good. Bridge number 8. And more water, I think. Go for it. Looks like we are reaching one of the top of the hills here. Nice. The sun is helping a lot. I'm going to sit down there, but probably you guys want to see something more interesting here. Watch it. Wait. Here we arrive at after 2.3 miles. Okay, now we're going back to the parking lot. Probably 1 more hours hiking down. So let's go this way. Nice view from the mountains, not the snow. So let's go this way. We continue going down and probably continue running here. Okay. Continue going downhill on this nice trail. So it's like almost 2 p.m. The end of February, winter time in Northern California, Palo Alto, California. Okay. Okay. Oops. Oops. Watch out. Watch out. Too much speed. Slow down. Oops. Oh, make a left here. Oh, make a left. Make a left. Okay. Good. 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 We ran all the way to the intersection here that we were here earlier, and so we're going to take this Costanon Trail. We should take back to the parking lot eventually. We're still testing this 360 camera. Man, gosh. Continue going down. Let's run. What about this? Let's go through it. We got it. Continue going. We're hiking down, but running because we need to be on time down there. It's getting dark, not too bad, but oh, one bridge here. We have traces of snow. It's going to be a little tricky to go around with the camera on it. Let's check it. Okay, good. We went through it. Nice. Continue running. Oh, there is another spot here, but we can go around, I guess. Let's get it easy. Oops, easy, easy, easy. Easy here. Easy. Good. We're on track. Nice.